Good morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to the English online learning class. Today we are going to take up the lesson from your main reader Honeydew. The first lesson, this lesson is the best Christmas present in the world. Now, there are some dates or periods of time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. This story you will read mentions one such date and event, a war between the British and the Germans, and the year was 1940. Now, the story goes like this. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll-top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak, and I wanted one. So the narrator, he went to a junk shop in Bridport and there he saw a roll-top desk. And the person who was the owner of the junk shop said that it was early 19th century and it was made up of oak. And the narrator was really looking for such a roll-top desk. But in other shops, they were very expensive. This one was cheap because it was in a junk shop and it was in bad condition. The roll top in several places was broken in several pieces. One leg of the roll top desk was very badly, clumsily mended, repaired. Mended means repaired. And there were scratch marks. There were burn marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. So the owner of the junk shop was asking for very small amount. So the roll top desk was cheap. I thought I could restore it. The narrator thought that he can repair it. It would be a risk and challenge, although it would not be so easy. But I had to have it because he really wanted one. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. So the narrator, he paid the amount to the owner of the junk shop and he brought this roll-top desk to his workroom, which was at the back of the garage. And he started working on it on Christmas Eve. The evening before Christmas, he started working on the roll top desk. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me, as if this roll top desk was badly damaged by water. It was not taken care of properly. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk, as the roll-top desk had scratch marks, so it was damaged due to fire as well as water. The last drawer was stuck fast. The last drawer was very badly stuck. It was not coming out. I tried all I could to ease it out gently, to bring out the drawer. In the end, I used brute force. He had to use very strong force in order to take it out. Rough force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath, a secret drawer. So there was, when the drawer came out, there was another secret drawer. You can see this in the picture also. There was something there. Inside the secret drawer, there was something. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. So he took out a small black tin box. Sellotaped to the top of it was a piece of lined note paper. So it was sellotaped, and on the top of it was a piece of lined note paper. Written on it in shaky handwriting, Jim's last letter. So received January 25, 1915. So this was the date when the letter was received. And it was Jim's last letter. To be buried with me when the time comes. And the request, it was written that the letter should be buried with me when the time comes. That is when the person dies. I knew as I did it was wrong of me to open the box. He thought it was not right for him to open the box as it must contain a private letter. But then curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. But then the feeling that makes you hesitate to do something, he overcame that feeling because he was curious to know what was written inside. Inside the box, there was an envelope. The address read Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beeches, Bridport, Dorset. So this was the address written on the envelope. I took out the letter, unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top December 26, 1914. So the letter was dated December 26, 1914. So we've covered part 1 of this lesson. Part 2 of this lesson we'll take up next day. In the meantime, for today, you are going to read the lesson and come up with your problems. If you have any queries, you can post it in the WhatsApp group, or you can ask your queries personally in the Google Classroom. So till then, take care and have a nice day.